Good morning, everybody. This is Leo Martinez at Atzenhoffer Chevrolet, and this is the first working day of the year, so come on in and we're ready to help serve you.
You have everything you need for your vehicle, we have right here in the warehouse.
At Atzenhoffer, our service team keeps you rolling with excellent care.
At Atzenhoffer Chevrolet, we are dedicated to high quality, excellent customer service. Whether you're in the market for a new Chevrolet or a new Mitsubishi, or one of our outstanding vehicles in our pre-owned inventory, Atzenhoffer Chevrolet has exactly what you're looking for. From our service department, to our collision department, to our parts department, and of course our sales department here at Atzenhoffer Chevrolet, every part of us here are dedicated to ensuring that you receive the best quality customer service you can find anywhere in the Crossroads. Come over to visit us at Atzenhoffer Chevrolet and see why we have been a South Texas tradition since 1926.